Hey guys, this is Jam, jamonline.ph, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So this is the best smartphone that you can get from Huawei, as this one packs a lot of innovations on the camera and also on every aspect of its hardware actually. So let's talk about the specifications of the smartphone. Well, we got here a 6.53-inch Full HD OLED display with it's called the Horizon display with an 88 degrees curve. So yes, it's really Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So this smartphone features a lot of innovations on the camera, on the processor, and actually almost every aspect of the hardware of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is it's a big innovation. So what can we expect from this smartphone? Well, we got here a 6.53-inch Horizon display with an up to 88 degrees angle. So it's a curved display. We got here a waterfall display, so it's really good to look at, and I love looking at it. But we do have a full HD display compared to the Quad HD before. We got a Kirin 990 processor. We got 8 gigs of RAM. We got 128 gigs of internal storage. We also got here a 40 megapixel cine camera, 40 megapixel Supersensing camera. We got an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and of course a 3D depth sensor. This one is an amazing innovation. We will talk about that later. We also got here the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, everything, every connectivity has this one, but the 5G doesn't come with the variant that we have. So we also got here a 3D face unlock. We got here a 4,500 mAh of battery, a 40-watt supercharger, and of course it runs on EMUI 10 based on Android 10. So we all know the specifications. Now let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So time to unbox the smartphone. So the one that we got comes in space silver, and actually the color is actually a combination of violet and a silver, but it does look like space with silver. So the Huawei Mate 30 Pro does have a beautiful design. We will talk about that later. I'm gonna turn this one on, and let's check out what's inside the box of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So the one that we got doesn't come with a case, but once this one is out in the Philippines, you will have an included case on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. We also got here a Huawei Supercharge that is capable of charging at of up to 40 watts. Not bad. It's 40 watts. It's very fast. We got here a USB-A to USB-C cable. Well, we got here USB-A charger. And of course, a wired earphones with USB-C port. We've turned on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, so what are we waiting for? Let's take a closer look at this smartphone. Alright, so this is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So yeah, I'm having a hard time focusing on this one because of its reflective glass at the back. But again, I do like the color of this one. This is the space silver, and as you can see here, we got here the color of silver over here with a little bit of violet. You can see that in the reflections. It does look like space. So this one comes with a glass body, very premium, very solid, and I like the feel of this smartphone. And then we got here the halo ring design for the rear camera of the smartphone. We got here the quad camera lens. One of it is actually dedicated for video. I actually like that Huawei has a dedicated camera for videos. You can do better videos at night or at decent lighting conditions. So this is a thumbs up for Huawei for me. Of course, we got here the Leica branding along with the flash over here. So yes, we got here a bigger flash over at this side. So we got here the Horizon display. One of the main features of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is the Horizon display. We got here a large 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. Yes, it is a Flex OLED display. It's only at Full HD, but don't get me wrong, maybe because of the Flex OLED display. I mean, look at those curves. It's like it reaches up to the end of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and as you can see here, it's very beautiful to look at. The colors are really good, despite not having the best resolution on the smartphone. I'm actually impressed with the brightness, with the colors that I'm getting on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So again, we got here a really nice display. You can see here that the display reaches up to this point, so it's an 88 degrees curve for the display. Below, we got here the dongle. It's a USB-C dongle, so you can see here that we got here the dongle, and also the the speaker grill, and also the card tray, and at the top we got here, I believe, is the IR blaster. So yes, the smartphone is really beautiful. I love looking at it. I love the display. I love the design of this smartphone. Yes, it's big at 6.53 inch. However, thanks to the curve at the back, the curve on the display of the smartphone, this one is pretty comfortable to hold, and it has a very comfortable grip. So you can see here that we got here a pretty large notch at the top. Well, because there's a reason for that. There's a lot of sensors that are placed at the top of the display of the smartphone. I mean, I actually do not care about the notch. I've been using a lot of smartphones with a notch. I'm using the iPhone 11 with even a wider notch. And because of this one, we got to hear a lot of, security features for face unlock, like 3D face unlocking, 3D sensors, and also, yes, a lot of sensors for better photos or better security on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So, am I annoyed with the display? Well, a little bit. Well, I mean, there's some photos, like, for example, let's open the gallery. Let's open my selfie, my duck face. You can see here that the display is actually up to, well, not to the end. I mean, look at this one. There's still some black bars on the side, but it does annoy me that it's distorting the image. It's distorting my duck face, okay? But yeah, I mean, I love the bezels on this one. It's very thin, but again, it's still beautiful to look at. However, when it comes to gaming, actually, you've seen NBA 2K20 a while ago. It doesn't block too much of the the content is limited only up to this point, so there are still some black bars on the side, so you don't have to worry about some buttons or some of the content on the game that can't be seen on the display of the smartphone because of the horizon display. Well, no, this is still fine to me when I'm playing games, and again, we're running on Kirin 990 processor. It's a very powerful processor, and I love using this one. So let's proceed to the camera app of the smartphone. So here's the camera app of the smartphone. Again, we do have a very different camera setup for the smartphone. 40 megapixels Supersensing camera, 40 megapixel cine camera, and of course the ultra wide, and of course the depth sensor. So as you can see here, we got here a resolution of up to 40 MP for the photo, and of course for the video, let's see here. Let's go to the video, the settings. We could record up to 4K, 60 frames per second. Not bad. I mean, not really bad. I mean, this one is a badass smartphone. But of course, not just that. We also got here slow-mo. As you can see here, you could adjust the slow-mo from 4 times, which is 120 frames per second, up to 256 times, which is 7,680 frames per second, which is ideal for explosive moments. I do not have any explosive moments, but actually I just tried it a while ago and really amazed with the slow-mo video of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. As you can see here, there we go. That is a really cool slow-mo, and I love it. Well, it's a little bit dark in my room, but as you can see here, the demo of the 7,680 frames per second of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is just really amazing. Now let's check out the camera, the sample shots that I took using the smartphone. So first, let's look into that selfie. Well, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro selfie camera isn't its best feature. Well, it does its job well. Well, I mean, you could capture those details, you could capture almost everything on the smartphone, but it's not the sharpest one that I've seen on a flagship smartphone. But on the rear camera, I'm just amazed on how good the smartphone was able to capture those details. Yes, it can shoot really fast and they can capture those details. So, I mean, look at those details. It's very beautiful. I love looking at it. The colors are really fine. And yeah, the lighting here isn't that good, but As you can see here, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro still managed to get the right colors and of course the sharp details on this one. Here's another one. So as you can see here, the details. That's really fine camera. This one is with AI. As you can see here, it's a little bit greenish because of the AI. So it was detected as a plant. But you can see here the details. I mean, look at those details. Thanks to the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, you could capture those details. So yeah, this one is outside, so it's really bright outside, and the dynamic range of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is just amazing. Not just the dynamic range, but also the details. The details that were captured by the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is just amazing. It's really amazing. So there we go, another shot in here. You can see here the details of the Eye Academy. There we go. So this one is the 1x shot of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and this one can capture up to 30 times. So as you can see here, it's very sharp. You can capture those details. Yes, very nice details. Very sharp details. I'm actually surprised that the Huawei Mate 30 Pro was able to capture that. However, it's not as good as the 50 times zoom of the Huawei P30 Pro, but the details that you can get for 30 times is already good. It actually doesn't feel like there's a zoom. It doesn't feel like it's a hybrid zoom. It actually feels like better than that. I mean, look at those details. Look at those details. Anyway, I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on. Oh, before that, let's talk about something else. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Well, some of you guys think, well, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro doesn't come with Google Play. Yes, it doesn't come with Google Play, but we do have the app gallery in here. You can download some applications if you want. A lot of applications, actually, a lot of games. We got Lap Plays, which is a very popular game. There we go. We even got shopping here in Gcash already. So new applications. So Huawei is really building up their applications on the app gallery. But did you know that you could still install the Google Play Store on this smartphone? Yes, it is working. I've installed a lot of applications already. I have Antutu over here. I have Call of Duty. I have every Google application that I need on the smartphone. Yes, it is actually possible. You could check out the link on how to install the Google Play Store on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro on my other video. I'm gonna place the link below. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again on my next video. Bye-bye.